Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with credit card balance transfer calculators at Bankrate step by step clearly. Visit the Bankrate website. Locate the search bar on the home page. Type credit card balance transfer calculators into the search bar. Press the enter key to initiate the search. Browse through the search results to find the relevant calculator. Click on the link to access the credit card balance transfer calculator. Once on the calculator page, review the instructions and input fields provided. Enter your current credit card balance in the designated field. Input your current interest rate in the next field. Specify the new interest rate offered by the balance transfer card. Indicate the duration of the promotional period if applicable. Click on the Calculate button to proceed. Review the results displayed on the screen. Analyze the savings and costs presented by the calculator. If you wish to save this information, look for a print or download option. Consider subscribing to additional resources or calculators offered by Bankrate. Follow the prompts to complete any subscription process. Ensure you provide accurate information during the subscription sign-up. Review and confirm your subscription details. Then, look for a confirmation message verifying your subscription. Now, you can take advantage of the tools and resources available through Bankrate. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.